therefore want to remind society as a whole that unless we invest in science, unless we are a science, technology, and innovation aware nation, we will not get anywhere. We are celebrating this week under a theme called the role of basic sciences in modern world. This is a theme that was suggested by the UNESCO in Paris to celebrate this year as the year of basic sciences.
We taught a robot that can clean the ocean, how to identify sea creatures and separate them from litter. We are the problem solvers that the world is waiting for.
Firstly, it is to showcase the work that we have done at MUT in terms of research. And secondly, it is to inspire our young learners as to what we can do here at MUT. We were looking for energy that can be produced by organisms, living organisms. We were able to produce biodiesel, a fuel that can be manufactured, that is used on the farms, in cars, trucks, heavy machinery, and it's a natural source.